Morning, guys. Just doing a quick recap from a trade from this morning. Foot Locker. Basically with Foot Locker, I wanted to take this one short after reading the earnings report. The numbers was horrible, whatever. I think they lowered guidance, right? So when they said lower guidance, I pretty much was watching this pre-market, and it was pulling, consolidated. I wanted to take it short up here, but everything was already tanking. I didn't want to chase the pull. Market opened up, yank. I saw this bounce, but I just drew this trend here. Once I seen this big yank, I thought it had more downside. I thought it can continue to fall down towards this 40 level, but again, I just wanted to see what was happening. So what happened was it came down. If you notice this consolidation right here, popped up, and then it pulled. So once I noticed this little base was happening, I took a position long. I took 400 shares right here, right? So my thought process was, hey, if I take 400 shares here at 43.47, I have to be able to risk $200 on this trade, which I was fine with. So basically, once this popped, I think I got it right in here. I pretty much started taking profits off, and then the remainder of my position, I told AJ in the room that I wanted.
Snap shares.
Sorry about that.
Highs of the day.
I told AJ I basically was looking for this 44.70, 44.47 spot, and that's where I took another piece of my profits. And I am currently gonna trim some more off here. And the reason why I'm going to trim some more out here, because here's this uptrend. If you look at this, this can also become a bear flag. So what happens is, let's just say consolidation, we get the bounce we're looking for, which is all good, right? I want to see this 44.84 break, and then I have nice range to the upside, right? But I need this level to break. So me personally, I left some just in case we can. This is some nice little room here. This is like 2 points of room. If we can get this break that I can possibly make on some more money on. So my thought process is just keep trending it no matter what. As long as it does not go below my entry, I won't lose any money on this trade. I'll just break even on the rest of my position, which I'm fine with, right? So as long as it holds this trend, what I'm looking for is it to hold this trend, bounce up, take out this 44.84 spot, and push higher. But again, I told you guys about this VWAP level, right? A lot of traders watch this. So me thinking in my head, I'm pretty sure a lot of traders are probably saying, hey, if it gets above VWAP, then I'll be looking for another push. So me thinking like they would possibly think. So what I'm thinking to myself, hey, leave a little piece on it. I'm already down here on the entry. Leave a little piece on it. If it does break VWAP, we get a nice push on this higher, because you're going to get other people who's going to start seeing this curl happening on Foot Locker and push higher. You got to also remember, this thing has been beaten down this morning. It's down 9 points this morning. So we have to recover at least some of that. I mean, could it continue? I've seen Foot Locker fall way more than that. But again, we're getting the curl that we're looking for. We're holding the 44.47, which is a plus for me. So now I want to see us take out this 44.84. So these levels that you're seeing that I'm calling out are past levels of support and resistance. So they're coming into play today, and that's why I'm using these levels to gauge how I'm going to play out on this trade, right? So again, you guys, if you guys watch any of the other videos, it's the same concept. I wait, I get in once I see some consolidation. Here's the consolidation right here. My risk right here, defined risk on my trade now. I'm comfortable. I know what I'm looking for. I know what I can possibly lose. I understand once we get the trend break, which is here, we can get a nice little push. And here it is. So as I'm talking, it's starting to play out on what I'm looking for. And this is why I'm playing Foot Locker right now. And I left some on the table, because now if we can get above this 44.84 spot and hold about above it, then we can continue to push higher. This can be a slow grind higher. The other plus side to this that I noticed on AJ Notes, and I still have his page up right now, right, is he did have a key thing in there that I like. He said earning miss issue downside guidance, right? Tesla, I don't know who it is, issues by the weakness, and gave it a $75 price target, right? So in my head, what I'm saying is, if it has a 75 price target, right, the stock is sitting at 44 bucks or whatever the case may be, why not leave some on the table as long as it's holding the upwards trend, and let's see if we can get more out of it. And that's basically what I'm doing with Foot Locker. Yes, they issued downside guidance, and was down 7 points when he wrote it. And on top of that, AJ called. Listen to this. This is crazy, right? Per his note, stop gapping down 7 would nibble small long at 45 area. Again, I told you guys he's going to give you a part where to start at, and he's giving you that. Room to 43. So let's just say if you started nibbling 25 shares, gave it room to 43, you added into your position. Look what's happening now. The stock is pretty much going right back to where you're at. You should actually be green almost on this had you just followed his notes. But again, as you guys know, he's calling the 43 spot, right, that it can possibly pull. I had a 44 spot in a room to 40, right? So all I did was just waited for the basing. I'm comfortable with this trade because I know I have support and everything coming in, and then I can play it from here. So that's basically all I did. His notes, different numbers, but we're seeing the same thing. To me, that's a plus. I'm in this trade. Typically, once I get some other traders pretty much saying the same thing, I don't care about what their price points are, but if they're trying to bounce certain stocks at the same levels as me, then I take a position, and because we're seeing the same thing. So again, if this pulls, we want it to hold 44 or 47, hold it, we can try to curl it. If it breaks, then we can probably come back down, retest lows, and get the bounce again. This is what I'm looking at. I am fine. I have my stops at my entry, and I would just let the remaining position play out. Again, guys, this is my trade on Foot Locker. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I'll answer. If you like what you're hearing, give the channel a like. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Whatever. All I'm saying is, this is my trade today, my only trade, stress-free trade. I am done today. I might not trade anymore. I just got great news from my buddy. He got the assistant principal position for the school board. So I'm gonna go out and celebrate with him, have lunch while the kids are at school. Again, guys, if you guys want to know the room that I'm in, awesome, call AJ. He does his thing, but you have to understand how to read charts. Or just get in there and listen to what he's saying. There's other rooms that you guys can follow. Right now, I always give shout out to whomever I'm with at the time. Right now, I am with AJ, so I give him his shout outs. And again, guys, that's it for me. Take care. Have any questions, hit me up on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I have a Snap, but I don't even know how to work Snap, so don't hit me up on Snap because I probably won't ever respond. But again, guys, that's all for me. Take care, guys. See you guys back here Monday. And again, if I take another one off AJ's list, I will be sure to do a live recap while it's happening. As you guys can see, everything's drawn out. I'm talking to you guys through the trade, telling you what I look for. So it breaks. You want to see it hold this right here. See this little flag? If it breaks this level right here, then we're going to pull it back down, which is fine with me. Again, I have my stops in place. I'm trying to see if I can get more out of this. If not, I'm okay. I get stopped out. I'm still green on the day. This trade, I will try to let it play out as much as it can play out before my stops get hit is what happens. All right, guys, take care. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your weekend. We got a 3-day weekend. Enjoy. Take care, guys.